Okay, so that's on. The next thing that I'm going to do, it's the power supply. That, well, I find I broke this one. I took it out. I'm just going to stick it with some tape. It will do the job. It obviously prefer not breaking it up, so, but shit happens. I know this have 5 screws because on the plug here there are 2 of them and one on each corner. So this is done. Plug this in. And what's left right now is the T-board. Now, this straight one, it's from the TV, and this bended one, they made a mistake when they popped that out, and this should be the replaced one. On both of them, they have the same reference, so it should work. I mean, if this is broken.